come together to be in charge of the football club on the football side. And there's various areas of expertise, and the board would like to think we've got them all covered: human resources, finance, commercial, personnel, a little bit of football knowledge, some IT skills, so all the things you need to run a modern business, I guess. Obviously we were a cat's whisker away from really doing well last year, in the sense of getting promotion. That's the aim, that's the immediate aim, and to run everything successfully and have everything going well behind the scenes and be ready if and when we do go up. And obviously for that to happen, the club's got to be financially sustainable, and we're on our way to achieving that. We're still some way from getting there, but we're on our way. Relieved, obviously. Just sneaked our first victory of the season at home. Good crowd, which is promising, just over 4,000. So that's great. The team got 3 points, which is great. Made hard work of it, but we think we've got a squad once again that can compete. We expect to be minimum playoff position at the end of the season. There's tough opposition again, as there always is, but yeah, we're quietly optimistic, a little bit more, and hopeful that we're going to be up there challenging at the end of the season.